Hi, it is Thursday, October 24th, and in 2 days, which is one day really, on Saturday morning, we're going on Carnival Spirit out of Mobile. And the good thing about this particular trip is that we are the first trip out of Mobile. So it's coming empty on Friday from New Orleans. And I've heard that we should be able to access our staterooms right away. And so I figured if that's the case, I want to take a chance and take the luggage along with us and not check it in with the porter so we could have it right away. But just in case, if we don't get the rooms, I don't want to carry around like huge luggage around with us. So I was thinking if we could take little suitcases and be able to pack all the stuff in there. So these are the tiny little suitcases I have. These are the regular overhead compartment compatible suitcases. So I'm gonna try to pack this stuff. So this is all the stuff that I have, like my husband's clothes, my clothes, and all this, and the shoes. And I wonder if it will fit, because if it won't, I'll have to get bigger ones. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and see, because if it does, it's gonna be really, really cool. So let's go. Oh, and one more thing. I want to show you my essentials that I always take with me. I take this little magnetic board. My daughter drew a picture for us. Magnetic board with magnets for the wall outside of the cabin so we can recognize our room. These are the magnetic hooks. I take our lanyards, and these little plastic ones, it's really easy to slide the cards in and out of them, so I really, really love these. So I'm taking my essentials. I got some ducks, and let's get to packing. So freaking cool. That's gonna be neat. We're gonna travel light. Hopefully it won't tip over. It looks a little bit unstable, but we'll see. Hopefully it will work out. Cannot wait for Saturday. Bye. So I thought about it, and I decided that it's not going to be comfortable. You know, it's so heavy and it tips forward when you set it down, and it's really hard to keep it straight, like standing up. So I think I'm just going to repack it to a larger suitcase. It's going to be too much trouble, but at least I know it fits, so that's good. So now I'm going to put it in this one, and it'll be a lot more stable. But anyway, Saturday's cruise day. See you there. Please follow my vlog. It's going to be an 8-day cruise from Mobile on Carnival Spirit, and I'm going to do a daily vlog with embarkation and all the islands and everything. So please follow, and please like and subscribe. Take care.